Nagenda fena mu katale nga tukuleyo jini sicho. Watera kwa de n'ekikumi. Watera kwa de n'ekikumi.
Nafu atwale byaffe.
Watera kwa de n'ekikumi.
Atwale byaffe.
Watera kwa de n'ekikumi.
Atwale byaffe.
Watera kwa de n'ekikumi gwemwe tukuga tuguleko.
Oh, so why did you call me to be with you? Because you know I'm always free if it comes to Oh, I need to always say like, for real, I can do this for you. As long as you say so, I can just do it.
Wow.
Everything. As long as I can say it. You already have me. You got me. You need to do nothing. You already did what you're supposed to do. So, that's fine. And your mind, too. Everyone knows your mind.
So, my dear, no, but anytime you better figure out.
And now,
Tell him where I just love. So, by the way, I was thinking of making it like a business. Teach you
Chenjagala. Kalenzira ndeganya garanti ndiwaka.
What material?
Kulinda, no come out. Like I just want to be there, do everything for my man. I just don't want to.
It's okay. But then my auntie. Well, but then I can okay. You can sue your auntie from now. Let her come with this thing, as you know.
But what you want to be now from our large why?
No. What's the conga? We took 1 hour again.
Okay, but now if you find it with me, I can.
It sounds like a good business, by the way.
Of course, it needs money.
Oh. See? Those next weekend to Jakindako. Sure, by the way, these days. Now I think about you, Sizamuko. I think we should go there.
We should go, Jay.
Yeah. As you know, we should invite the girls to join us at the date, Friday.
Of course I will, because I have to introduce you to my friends.
Stay here.
Yeah, they get to know you. Wherever I find you, they'll be like, this is Mr. Miles, my man.
So, Kijja college.
I'm the happiest woman in the whole world.
Wow.
Waking up, and you're my man, presenting you in front of my friends that this is my man.
Oh.
I even can't wait that I'm going to talk to my mom and be like,
By the way,
Mom.
call them too on Friday the date, you know?
I know we'll be better. They'll be happy. Like this.
Oh, for you. I think for you. As you know. Yeah, so. By the way, I think we're not going to be happy.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Mukulu sevu.
Okay. Bano.
I'm Jacinta. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
I'm having a call, but let me see. Brother, what's up?
Banaye. Ngo wadobuze.
Anyi nawe bimanyi.
Bali waduka bamanyi.
Sangere mukazi we.
Demukusanga.
Business.
Wadobuze.
Lika. Ali mukusubira abaana b'abandi.
Bagenda ne baffe mwete tukusange.
Labe sawa.
Mweja.
Labe sawa. Labe sawa. Sije bagule hiyo. Sije bagula.
Mwete tukusange.
Tejja naye kali wano kama. Ai, oli wano oli mukusubira.
Mwete tukusange.
Atuwe byaffe.
Bagenda otuti. Mwete tukusange. Katusaba nya tuwe byaffe.
Sawa.
Not so I know bimalanga ba.
Wekaza biki? Watwala engoye zaffe. Oli mubbi.
George, ono kachere lwaki tatambula naye. Mwana yakusibyawo nze kuwulira. Naye ati befe sobimalanga bano.
Nego wanzira nodduka. Nodduka n'ebyange byonna. Seba lwa nyodduse.
Wewe byaffe.
Oyinza mu kubaduka. Muli bamuntu.
Kakati.
Wewe byaffe.
Sebo, gira tuwe byaffe.
Engoye zange.
Watwala, byonna ogenda tuwe byaffe.
Maji yatofa. Yes, sir.
Jangu.
As you know.
Finish up your business. Finish up.
Sebo, ogenda tuwe byaffe. Ate byampola. Goleto otwala byaffe kati mwali mu.
Oli mukuswida kana kaba. Byaffe. Laba byenyambala kati watwale sawa. Laba sawa y'omusajja.
Oli oyimiza na mwana wali mukulu.
Tolina byotugamba nawe.
Wali tutukusange.
Bila.
Sebo.
Ebyange.
Byaffe kati.
My dear, as you know.
Can you finish up with your friend?
Business
The
things,
best
business things,
yange.
Sebo.
Ojamanya nti nno labite kikagege naye kulira ewankomi sebo oli wano onyumye ndaba omusipi gwange nebale kasajja gomanyira bide omanyira sikulimba tosobola kumanyira bwotyo sebo twakuyamba ne twali tusula ffenna tosoba na rent watwala ebintu bye twala eri kaali kanaku nga tekalina na kitu kyonna baleke sati okumanyira abasajja abanyaguluzi twala eri
Wait, can I talk to my babe first? Can I? Babe, no, babe, tell me. So you mean everything you've been telling me is a lie? What do you mean by space? I'm dressing you, babe.
laba engatto
Serious.
byonna wabibako ffe zino engatto twagenda fena mu katale nga tuzigula watera kuba nebibiri twala eri
Mwana okyali wansi wa George ndozula ebintu byo tomanyi babo.
bange ng'obba byaffe
Kanaawe.
Zino engoye zizo.
Ensonga naawe tusobozimala. Bro, kenako katuta.
Omusipi ga George abasajja
Iri kanaawe.
twakusenza
Akadasi kange.
tolina ssente kwegulira bintu kati kakubuuzeemu ono omukazi ogenda muwakinga byonna byambadde byaffe twagenda fena mu katale nga tuguleyo jini sikyo waterako wadde n'ekikumi waterako wadde n'ekikumi waterako wadde n'ekikumi waterako wadde n'ekikumi
Wait. So listen. So you mean you've been lying to me all this time?
My dear, just
All along you've been telling me, Sheraton, bring your friends. So you wanted me to bring my friends and look at me, bring ashamed like this? Oh. You might not like okay. I don't care. Whatever the case you have, whatever the business you have with those people, I don't care. But to me, I'm ashamed. If you're not ashamed, I am. Okay? I am ashamed. You get it?
For real?
You get
You
it?
just want to leave me like this?
You mean leaving me?
Don't we just leave
You're even talking about me and you. You still see me and you? We still exist?
Yeah.
Me and you.
You said we're forever. We're going.
I said it then when you were telling me the truth. Okay, the one that I thought, or the one that I called the truth, yet you were making me, like you were making a fool out of me.
Okay.
Oh.
I don't have that lots of money, but I have wages enough for us.
There's nothing like enough for me, yet you cannot even buy yourself a shirt. A shirt? How much does a shirt cost, babe? I'm even still calling you babe now. Shoes.
That's what you are
You
doing.
cannot even buy shoes for yourself. And then you still say, you still call us. You still want us to have something.
My dear, just listen.
Like there's nothing like something. Don't even touch me. And don't even think of coming to me again. Neither calling my phone. You get? I don't know you. You don't know me. Okay? I've never seen you anywhere. You've never seen me too.
Let me tell you, you're gonna
I'm making
regret
things
this.
clear. Listen, I don't want to listen to anything because I think I know what I need to know. What you've been telling me is not what I needed to know. You'd have told me that by the way I wouldn't be in this shit. Do you know that?
My dear, wait. Ogenda kwejjusa kinezo. Okusalawo kokona kole mukara.
You know something I regret? The thing I regret, it is me standing here in front of you. If there's anything I can regret in life, there's nothing like meeting
cool down.
some stupid person like you.